Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows 10 is updated and you're signed into a Microsoft account. This enables syncing and recovery. Once done, confirm your camera or fingerprint reader is connected and drivers installed because hardware failures block enrollment. Now open Settings, choose Accounts, then Sign In Options. That's where Windows Hello lives. Begin by setting or confirming a PIN. Windows Hello requires a PIN as a fallback. Do that first so biometric enrollment can proceed securely and quickly. After the PIN is in place, select Windows Hello Face or Windows Hello Fingerprint and click Setup. Follow the guided prompts. For Face, center your face and slowly turn your head. For Fingerprint, lift and rest the same finger multiple times to capture different areas. Make sure lighting is even for face scans and that fingers are clean and dry for sensors. Once the system completes enrollment, it will show a success confirmation. This means Windows Hello can now authenticate you quickly and locally. To finish, lock your PC or sign out and try signing in with your newly enrolled biometric. This confirms everything is configured. Make sure Require sign-in settings match your security needs and consider dynamic lock if you use a phone. If authentication fails, remove the biometric profile and re-enroll. Also update device drivers and run Windows Update. Finally, ensure the Windows biometric service is running. These steps resolve most problems and get Windows Hello working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.